Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a detailed look at three of the most popular print-on-demand platforms: Printful, Printify, and Gelato. If you're venturing into POD or looking to switch platforms, this comparison will help you understand which one might fit your business best. We'll start with Printful. Printful operates its own production facilities around the world, which gives it strong control over quality, fulfillment processes, and branded packaging options. Its product catalog includes hundreds of items across apparel, accessories, home and living, and more. Because production is in-house or tightly managed, you can expect consistent print quality, reliable shipping times, and solid branding features like custom labels, packaging inserts, and white label options. The dashboard, design tools, and integrations are polished too. On the downside, Printful typically has higher base costs compared to some competitors. If you're selling on tight margins or competing heavily on price, that can be a challenge. Shipping times may also vary depending on your region and the specific fulfillment center used. Also, while Printful supports many platforms and marketplaces, its global coverage may be slightly less flexible than platforms with a broader supplier network. Next up, Printify. Printify uses a marketplace model, where you pick from numerous print partners across the globe. This gives you access to a huge product range, in some catalogs over 1,000 items, and allows price competition among providers. It's great for flexibility and tapping into many niches or unique product types. For sellers starting out or targeting low entry cost, Printify is attractive. On the flip side, the trade-off is consistency. Because printing is outsourced to different facilities, quality may vary from provider to provider and from order to order. Shipping times, fulfillment reliability, and customer experience can be less predictable. Branding and packaging options are also generally less advanced compared to platforms that own production facilities. So if brand identity and consistent premium experience are important to you, Printify may require more hands-on oversight. Finally, Gelato. Gelato offers an interesting hybrid model with an emphasis on localized production. They partner with print hubs in many countries, aiming to reduce shipping distances, costs, and environmental footprint. For global sellers targeting customers in multiple regions, this can offer a meaningful advantage. Gelato's catalog is somewhat smaller than Printify's in many categories and products, and its branding and customization options are less extensive than Printful's premium offering. On quality, since they also rely on local hubs, results can depend on the location or provider. For merchants prioritizing global reach, sustainability, and regional fulfillment speed, Gelato has a strong case. If your niche requires vast product variety or highly controlled branding, it might feel a little limited. When we compare all three, Printful stands out for quality control, consistent branding, and a premium experience. Printify stands out for product variety, low entry cost, and flexibility, but with more hands-on management required for quality and fulfillment reliability. Gelato stands out for international fulfillment, localized production, and sustainability advantages, but has a smaller catalog and fewer branding tools. In terms of product count, Printify typically offers the most items, Printful a more curated large but manageable catalog, Gelato more moderate. For branding, Printful leads. For global shipping and regional fulfillment, Gelato has the edge. For cost flexibility and starting out cheaply, Printify is the easiest. So what's the verdict? If you're building a premium brand, want strong control over the customer experience, and are okay with slightly higher cost, Printful is your best bet. If you're testing ideas, want broad product variety on a budget, and are willing to manage quality and providers carefully, Printify offers the best value. If your key challenge is delivering worldwide quickly, reducing shipping costs, and you are less dependent on ultra-premium branding, Gelato could be the right choice. Many successful sellers even use a combination of two or all three platforms. For example, Printify for low-cost items, Printful for premium offerings, Gelato for international orders. Thanks for watching this breakdown. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with which POD platform you're leaning toward and why. I'll see you in the next video.